Hi, I'm NATASHA DENONA. I want to introduce and also to show you how to use my new Super Glow highlighting powder. This super soft formula is lightweight, melts into the skin and gives a beautiful glass-like strobing effect due to its high concentration of crushed chroma crystals that are mixed with crushed pearls. The first shade I'm going to show you is number 2, which is a nude champagne. It works very well on light to dark skin. I would not recommend to bake your foundation prior using this highlighting powder, but if you do, then I would recommend to use a setting spray. Number 1 is an icy ivory shade, which is perfect for all the fair skin tones. Most of the time what I like to do is applying cream highlighter before I'm adding the powder highlighter on top. This is shade number 3, which is bronzy gold, and it's so beautiful actually on everyone, especially on dark skin, but I love it on every skin tone.